Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's going to be a quick one here towards the end of the day. We saw a little bit of upside, a little bit of downside today. Nothing major, actually just sideways action, you could say. A little bit of a roller coaster today, but pretty much still in the same range. The levels remain the same as previously discussed. As long as we're holding above 17.17, the idea is we could really be in a breakout. It's just that, when can the bulls finally make the move? We have something that you could consider a bit of a head and shoulders pattern here. Not terribly well defined, but you could say we have a bit of a neckline here around 1760 or so. And then we've got our, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And that could come down to 1717 roughly, maybe even a bit lower. Bear in mind, below 1717, this support area becomes relevant around all the way down to 1662. This head and shoulders is also in line with some concerns that we could make here another low. It's not really concerns because we are still holding support, right? So not much happened. It's just that at some point the bulls need to make a move because we have so many 1-2 setups here since, basically since November, where we had a large 1-2 setup here. This was wave 1 peaked in February, wave 2 to the downside. Here another large 1-2 or a 1-2-1-2 is possible, and then here another 1-2. So it really needs to move. It needs to move or it will break down. Very, very simple. And below that 1717 level, no problem. We would morph into the next scenario where we can find support at 1662. Below that 1472, but bear in mind, all of these would be bullish cases. But the thing is, from here, we could easily then drop another 17%, 18% to that 1472 level. Just wanted to show you here the lower degree count. But what I said is the head and shoulders is pretty much in line with, the view that we could easily break below today's low again, which was here at 1763. The reason is that the move up was clearly in 3 waves, which leaves it very vulnerable to being violated. So I'm looking currently at the option that we could get something that I normally don't put onto a chart because it's so rare, but this could really become a WXY XZ pattern. Normally you can easily frame that as a larger WXY, but yeah, you can get these. And the thing is, I'm considering this because the move up here was in 3 waves, and the move up here clearly also in 3 waves. The move down was in 3, the move down here was in 3, and maybe here as well. A, B, C. So yeah, be open to that idea. If we cannot break above the 1838 high, which is today's high, we might make another low, violate the previous low. I see that coming possibly. Well, I pretty clearly see that coming. Not that it's guaranteed or for sure, but a move up in 3 waves with quite an impulsive move down that follows leaves the door open for a basically taking out support, right? Which doesn't mean we're breaking below 1717, but we could certainly test that level. And again, also that is not guaranteed here. It's not definite. It's not definitely going to happen, but it's likely because of the 3-wave move to the upside. I would be surprised if this 3-wave move up would be something bullish. But yeah, never say never. I'm just saying that as long as we're holding 1717, we can be in a breakout scenario. The problem though is these 3 waves up leave it all vulnerable, and we could easily make another low in line with the head and shoulders pattern and a possible extension of the WXY correction. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.